Which one? Tell me which point. Okay, B and C that you need triangles. So you see B, C, and A. Okay. All right. B, C, and A, they don't have any, there's no markings on these two sides that would tell you that they're the same as this side. So we need two sides that are the same. So we need to include this tick mark here and this tick mark, or we need to include this tick mark and that tick mark. Yes, what? B, D, and A would work. Let me highlight it so you can see it. B, D, and A. So here's one isosceles. What's another one? B, D, and E. Okay. Those little tick marks mean that BE is congruent to ED. And the same thing here, AB is congruent to AD. They're the same. All right, let's find another triangle. Let's find a scalene triangle. Scalene, how many sides need to be the same? None. Yeah, so none. You need a triangle that none of the sides are the same. Yep, Dustin was just ahead of us here. B, C, A. So this one here. B what? Oh. A, C, D. All right. Any more? A what? A, E, B. Yes. So AEB, I don't think anybody came up with that one last class. Good. So this triangle here. AD, the one on the right-hand side, yeah. All right, is that all of them? I think that's it. Four scalene triangles. All right, a right triangle. Right triangle, what has to be true about a right triangle? That's what? All right, 1 and 1 is 90. Okay, so we need to find a 90-degree angle. So one of them, see this box right here? That means 90. So here's one right triangle. A, C, D. Does anybody see another one? On the other side. Yep. A, C, D. A, C, B. Let me move it up. You can see it. What's another one? D, C, E. Oh, yeah, because if this one's 90, well, the ones on the bottom have to be 90 too. There's 4 90s in there. So we have another triangle B, C, E would also work. So there's 4 right triangles just in that little figure. Questions so far? All right, we can also, not only can we identify them, but we can use the identification to help us solve algebra problems. So let's look at one. Equilateral, all 3 sides have to be the same. So we have to find x and the measure of each side. So RS, what would it be equal to? Which one? X plus 9 would be equal to 2x. That would be one equation that we could write. What's another equation that could be true? See, I can't really write an equation that would consist of all three of these being equal to each other, because then I'd have two equal signs. And an equation just needs one. So we can write this side would equal to that one, and then one more. We could say x plus 9 would equal 3x minus 9. Now, you don't have to solve all three of these. You can pick which one you like. All three of them will give you the same answer. So pick one that you think looks easy to solve. I'm just going to solve this first one, since it's first. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides of the equal sign. X is 9. How do we find the length of each side now? Where? Yep, put it into x. So 9 plus 9, so that would give us 18. 2 times 9, 18. Oh, look, they're the same. I hope so, because look, it's supposed to be equilateral, so they better be all the same. 3 times 9 minus 9, 18. So they're all three sides are 18. If I got something different, if I got like 18 and 12, then I know I did something wrong. Either my algebra was wrong or my equation was set up incorrectly. I have to go back and find my mistake because it says equilateral. All three have to be the same. All right, we are going to stop here so that you and your partner can work on the fun polygon, and I'll give you directions here on how to do that.